Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the critical components of your vehicle and how they affect performance. In today's video, let's explore the exhaust manifold, a crucial component of your car's exhaust system. We'll cover its critical functions and what can happen when it goes wrong. But before we continue, hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to know when a video drops. Let's get started. The exhaust manifold is a critical component of the car's exhaust system. It is responsible for several essential functions that directly affect engine performance and efficiency. The exhaust manifold's primary job is to collect exhaust gases from each engine cylinder. Whether your engine has 4, 6, or 8 cylinders, the manifold ensures that all these gases are funneled into a single pipe. Here are 5 critical functions of the exhaust manifold. Number 1. Collect exhaust gases from cylinders. The primary function of the exhaust manifold is to collect exhaust gases from the engine cylinders. In a multi-cylinder engine, each cylinder produces exhaust gases after combustion. The exhaust manifold serves as a junction point where the gases from each cylinder converge into a single pipe. This collection is crucial for directing the gases out of the engine efficiently, ensuring that the combustion process is not hindered by back pressure. Number 2. Directs exhaust gases to the exhaust system. After collecting the exhaust gases from each cylinder, the exhaust manifold channels them into the exhaust system. This system typically includes components like the catalytic converter, muffler, and tailpipe, which further process and expel the gases out of the vehicle. Proper direction of the exhaust gases helps in maintaining a smooth flow, reducing the risk of back pressure that could negatively impact engine performance. Number 3. Reduces engine noise. The exhaust manifold helps in reducing the noise generated by the engine during the combustion process. By channeling the exhaust gases into the exhaust system, where they are muffled and silenced, the manifold plays a role in minimizing the sound produced by the engine. This function is essential for ensuring that the vehicle operates quietly, providing a more comfortable driving experience and meeting noise regulations. Number 4. Optimizes engine performance. A well-designed exhaust manifold can optimize the flow of exhaust gases, reducing back pressure and improving engine breathing. This optimization allows the engine to expel exhaust gases more efficiently, making space for fresh air-fuel mixture to enter the cylinders. By improving exhaust flow, the exhaust manifold helps to enhance engine efficiency, leading to better power output, fuel economy, and overall performance. Number 5. Supports catalytic converter functionality. The exhaust manifold plays a crucial role in directing exhaust gases to the catalytic converter, which is responsible for reducing harmful emissions. The converter needs a steady flow of exhaust gases to function effectively and break down pollutants. By ensuring that exhaust gases are efficiently directed to the catalytic converter, the exhaust manifold helps in reducing the vehicle's environmental impact and ensures compliance with emission standards. In summary, the exhaust manifold is vital for managing exhaust gases, enhancing engine performance, reducing noise, and supporting emission control systems. Its proper functioning is crucial for the overall health and efficiency of the car engine. Now that you understand how important the exhaust manifold is, let's talk about what can go wrong when it fails. Here are 5 ways a faulty exhaust manifold can negatively affect your engine. Number 1. Reduced engine performance. A cracked or leaking exhaust manifold can cause an imbalance in the exhaust flow, leading to increased back pressure in the engine. This restricts the engine's ability to expel exhaust gases efficiently, resulting in reduced power output and poor acceleration. When exhaust gases can't escape freely, it disrupts the engine's breathing, reducing its ability to take in fresh air and fuel, which in turn diminishes performance. Number 2. Increased fuel consumption. A leaking exhaust manifold can cause the oxygen sensors to receive inaccurate readings, leading to incorrect air-fuel mixture adjustments by the engine control unit, ECU. This often results in the engine running richer, more fuel than necessary, increasing fuel consumption. The ECU may try to compensate for the perceived lack of oxygen by injecting more fuel, which not only wastes fuel but also affects overall efficiency. Number 3. Engine overheating. Exhaust leaks from a faulty manifold can allow hot gases to escape into the engine bay instead of being directed through the exhaust system. This can cause the engine and surrounding components to overheat. The exhaust manifold is designed to channel hot gases away from the engine. If it fails, the heat can build up in areas not designed to handle high temperatures, leading to overheating and potential damage to engine components. Number 4. Increased emissions. A damaged exhaust manifold can lead to incomplete combustion and the release of unburned fuel into the exhaust system, increasing the emission of harmful pollutants. Additionally, the catalytic converter may not receive the correct amount of exhaust gases, reducing its effectiveness. The exhaust manifold plays a key role in ensuring that exhaust gases are properly processed by the catalytic converter. A leak can disrupt this process, leading to higher emissions and potential failure to meet emission standards. Number 5. Loud engine noise. A crack or leak in the exhaust manifold can cause a loud ticking or tapping noise, especially during acceleration or when the engine is under load. This noise occurs as exhaust gases escape through the crack rather than being directed through the exhaust system. The exhaust manifold helps contain and direct the noise produced during combustion. When it's faulty, the uncontrolled escape of gases creates loud, unpleasant sounds, often indicating a problem that needs immediate attention. In summary, a faulty exhaust manifold can lead to reduced engine performance, increased fuel consumption, overheating, higher emissions, and loud engine noise. Addressing any issues with the exhaust manifold promptly is crucial to maintaining engine health and efficiency. To sum it up, the exhaust manifold is a vital component that keeps your engine running efficiently and quietly. If you suspect it's faulty, it's crucial to address the issue promptly to avoid more severe engine problems down the road. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into your vehicle's engine components. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.